We have the Certified Natural Health Coach program available. We're getting really good feedback from that program. It's a program that's designed to address the root cause of disease, the root cause of health problems that people are suffering from. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you even need to see clients per se. You should be your own certified natural health coach. And for your family, you can be a certified natural health coach. We do have a special going on right now. If anyone's interested in that, I would highly recommend, because it teaches you everything you need to know about why you have different conditions, how to clean up your internal environment, how to clean up your external environment, the importance of cleansing and healing the gut, the importance of cleansing and healing the liver, the importance of getting the parasites out of your body. Everybody's heard me talk many times about simplicity. I'm always about simplicity. Just what's the easiest way to do this?